Okay, let's start. Now let me share the story behind our business. When doing any kind of sport, many people, including us, experience small but annoying problem. Wired headband that doesn't stay in place, even that fall out, will discomfort during the movement. So this issue affect performance and comfort, especially for hijabi athletes. So that's we came up with idea, the Smart Band X, which is a smart, wireless and sweat-proof headband designed for comfort, stability and convenience during any activity.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Shahrul Nizam Mirazmi, and now I would like to explain about company introduction. First of all, this is our company logo which state our company name Smart Bands. Our company motto is comfortable, wireless and designed for your lifestyle. Our tagline is smart comfort for every step.
My name is Farsha Awati binti Ahmad Arshad and I will explain problem to solve. So first, discomfort and practical incompatibility with hijab. This can cause pressure, slipping, and reshaping of the scarf occurs, especially during movement or long usage. Wired audio device can tangle with fabrics that can causing further discomfort. The second one is lifestyle incompatibility for active user. Audio device can fall out, become loose, or block airflow, that creating functional issues in active scenarios like jogging, gym workout, and running. The last one is high cost and complexity of current audio device. These popular wireless solutions, which is Apple AirPods or Sony, are too expensive for students. This budget device available online often lack quality, warranty, or customer service. Next, our solution. It is designed for hijab compatibility, which is breathable, washable fabric design that fits under any hijab style. Next, it is built for movement and activity. This won't fall off or block air. This can help hijabis exercise with freedom. The last one is affordable and high value tech. These features include Bluetooth, integrated mic and speaker, touch control, USB-C fast charging, and easy to use.
My name is Hari Shamil, and I'm here to introduce Smart Band X, a student-led innovation combining wearable tech with modest fashion. Our main product, the Smart Bluetooth Headband, offers hands-free audio with built-in speakers and a discrete control panel, so you can enjoy music, take calls, or relax comfortably. What sets us apart? We designed this with modest users in mind, especially those who wear headscarves. Made from soft, breathable, and washable fabric, it's lightweight, practical, and blends perfectly with everyday modest wear. Smartband X brings comfort, innovation, and style together whenever you go.
My name is Wan Muhammad Islam Fikri bin Muhammad Razi and I will present about business model. Our business offers a smart Bluetooth headband combining fashion, comfort and tech at an affordable price. Key activities include user testing, digital marketing and working with suppliers and e-commerce platforms like Shopee and Lazada. We target young Muslim women, fitness enthusiasts and students through social media, WhatsApp and online store. Revenue comes from product sale, premium packaging upsell, and affiliate collaboration, while strong customer relationships are maintained via WhatsApp support, after-sales survey, and social media promotion. Marketing strategies. For our marketing, we will focus on social media advertising with product demo video on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shop, featuring young hijabi influencer and fitness enthusiasts. We will create content about how the headband is comfortable, hijab friendly, and perfect for workouts, travel, and relaxation. For our launch, we will offer a buy one get one at 50% off promo, pre-order discount, and social media giveaway and at young Muslim women. Our target is to reach 5,000 followers, sell 500 units in the first quarter, and build a mailing list of 1,000 subscribers. This strategy will help us connect with our target market and build brand awareness fast.
My name is Nur Ali Shafika binti Badaruddin. Today I'll be presenting the market size analysis for our SmartBand Smart Bluetooth headband. Our primary target market includes students and staff at UMPSA Pekan campus, about 8,000 students and 1,000 staff. We are also reaching out to approximately 10,000 tech-savvy residents within a 30-kilometer radius. This giving us total addressable market of around 19,000 people. For our first year, we aim to capture 5% of this market, about 950 units sold, generating 95,000 ringgit in revenue. By the third year, we expect to reach 15% or 2,850 units, totaling 285,000 ringgit. Our focus is on young, touch-savvy, health-conscious users within the university and surrounding community.
Now, let's talk about competition. Brands like Musicozy and Levins offer Bluetooth headbands for sports and sleep, but most overlook the needs of modest wearers. That's where SmartBand X stands out. Our headband is designed to fit comfortably under headscarves. No bulk, no discomfort. It's breathable, washable, and blends style with function. While others focus only on performance, we combine tech with comfort, culture, and inclusivity. SmartBand X isn't just practical, it's purposefully made for modest and active lifestyle.
At SmartBand, our strength lies in our team's diverse expertise. Our CEO and COO provide strong leadership and operational strategy. Our marketing and branding managers bring creativity and engagement to promote our products. The financial managers ensure smart, sustainable budgeting. Our product and quality manager guaranteeing top-notch standards, while our technical support leads handles all the tech-related challenges. Each member plays a vital role, making our team well-equipped to drive SmartBand forward in the wearable tech market.
Next, we will go through our company milestone. For the month 1, we begin with research and ideation, identifying the need for a comfortable outdoor solution for hijabi women during exercise. We also conducted mini surveys to support our idea. For month 2, we moved to concept development and design. Our team sketch out the product and selected features like Bluetooth connectivity, built-in speakers, and sweat-resistant material. Next, for month 3, we create both visual and physical mockup to represent our headband. This helps us explain how the technology fits into the design. For month 4, we presented our idea to friends and lecturers and gathered their feedback. Based on this, we made improvements to make the product more user-friendly and realistic. For month 5, finally, we prepared our pitch video and final presentation to showcase our concept, its potential, and how it could help hijabis enjoy fitness without limitation.
My name is Nur Alisa Shazrin binti Asra Shafi and I will present the total investment required. We will need about 71,500 ringgit in total. This includes 18,000 ringgit for R&D and prototyping, 22,000 ringgit for equipment, 15,000 ringgit for initial inventory, 8,000 ringgit for marketing, 6,000 ringgit for office setup, and 2,500 ringgit for legal compliance. Next, let's look at our monthly operating expenses. We have allocated 12,000 ringgit for materials, 2,000 ringgit for utilities and hosting, and 10,000 ringgit for staff wages, covering a product engineer, marketing executive, and customer support. Logistics adds another 3,000 ringgit. That brings our total monthly cost to 26,500 ringgit. Last but not least, the total grant investment for our product costs about 98,000 ringgit. In conclusion, the Smart Bluetooth headband by SmartBand offers a smart, stylish solution that enhances daily life through seamless tech integration. With a focus on quality, transparency, and customer satisfaction, it's designed for health-conscious, tech-savvy users, making it a strong player in the growing wearable tech market. Thank you.